Hey, so I just wanted to make a quick video about something I just mentioned in the prior video. These are 1 ounce gold bars. I buy a lot of these, I store them. I don't know if I'm ever going to sell them. And you store these because a suit used to cost $600 way back in the day. So did an ounce of gold. A suit costs about $2,000 now. Tailored suit, good suit. So does an ounce of gold. And when you measure things relative to how many ounces of gold it takes to buy it, gold always keeps up. Where the dollar doesn't. It used to cost $17,000 to buy a house. Now you need 417,000 of those dollars. The value of each monetary unit went down. Gold doesn't. Now, is there opportunities to turn around and sell gold to make money in the short term? Because I have guys that buy rare coins. I have guys that buy gold and silver, and they'll see prices spike, and they'll turn around, or they'll want to sell it tomorrow and make money. And I have guys that'll buy rare coins, and I'll say, hey, listen, truth be told, this coin you're buying, this is a rare coin. Just, what a certified coin looks like. Truth be told, this coin sold for $2,000 about a year and a half ago. You're paying me $1,300. I got it on a discount. I bought a whole collection. It was big. The person needed the funds quickly, and he trusted me, and I was able to make a deal. And they'd be like, well, why don't I just sell it tomorrow? And I'm like, well, it's not going to be up to me to go ahead and turn around and sell it. I'm not a broker where you buy from me and then I go sell it for you for profit tomorrow. And also, understand this. I'm one of the best in the business in terms of charging a low markup. I don't charge high markups. I buy coins wholesale and I get as good a deal as I can. And then I sell it to the customers retail. And I'll make some money. Same as when you buy bullion. Not from me, from anybody, right? You pay for this right now about $2,025. So you pay like $30 above the spot price, or maybe a little more, right? But if you sold it, if gold went up $20 overnight, and then you wanted to sell it tomorrow, well, then you would essentially break even, or probably still be at a little bit of a loss, because you have to pay a premium when you buy it, just like you have to pay a little bit of a retail markup when you buy a coin, and then you sell it at a bid price, so you're going to purchase at the ask price. You buy from me, you're going to pay me, let's say, $1,500 for the coin. My bid might only be $1,300 for the coin. So that means you need the coin's value to go up $200 in order for you to make money, right? And same thing here. The ask price to buy it is $2,025, but the bid price is spot price, which would be like $1,960, $1,970, and you paid $2,025. So essentially, you need to wait for it to appreciate a little bit. And then you can turn around and sell it. So you buy these with a long-term view. Now, why do you want to buy this stuff with a long-term view? Why lay out a little extra money and then wait for the value of the coin to catch up? Why? Limited supply is why. Devaluation of the dollar over time is why. You need assets that can keep up with inflation and then some if you want any chance at having something later on, because the dollars are just disintegrating in your hand. And some of these asset classes here are some of the ones that are as good as it possibly gets. Real estate is good too. And you buy this stuff with a long-term view. Now, personally, I buy a lot of gold bullion. I absolutely do. Sometimes, especially lately, because we're in this cycle where people are realizing what's happening and gold prices are about to go. Gold does well during recession. A lot of people think that's coming. Gold does well during inflation. We've seen record-breaking inflation. So have I taken some money off the table by selling some gold? I have. I've obliged some customers and sold them some gold. Stuff that I might have bought for $1,850 and I sold it for $2,000. More of a favor than it is really a benefit for me, because I just look for more gold and silver to put the cash into. But my point is, you buy this stuff with a long-term view. You're playing an infinite game. This isn't where you make short-term money. Go trade the markets for that. You buy this stuff to sleep at night and have fun collecting. Hobby is important, but also with a long-term view that you'll have something to leave to your kids or your grandkids. Your core principles of what matters to you the most, to make sure you're never broke again, to make sure you have something of high enough value later on. That's why you buy this stuff. Don't buy coins and bullion to sell it tomorrow. At that point, you're a trader. You're trading. And I'm not in the business of trading. Everything I do is geared for the long term. If I buy a company, I'm buying a blue chip company that I think is going to continue to grow every year at a nice small incremental rate, maybe pay some of their income out as a dividend. I buy good, strong blue chip companies. Everything is meant for a better future 20, 30 years from now. And buying stuff like this and stuff like this with a reputable dealer who's going to treat you the right way, not overcharge you, and give you coins that they can back up with good information on why they're worthy. Doing it like that will allow you that freedom later on, peace of mind to know that you have some wealth stored away. Build a small coin collection. Accumulate a gold position. Accumulate a silver position. And keep your eye on the infinite game of having wealth forever, right? Infinite wealth for as long as you're on this earth. If you're looking to trade and turn something over tomorrow, it's not the move. When a dealer says to you, and I will say this, coins like this are the ones that will sell for more money later on. If it's a rare coin that I can't find elsewhere because it's very hard to find and you have it, and I might have made a really good deal on it, right? I might be able to broker that coin for you later. I've said that to people, and then they've turned around and misinterpreted it as if we're going to sell all your coins for you tomorrow and you're going to make a huge ton of money. That's not it. You buy coins with a long-term view to hold them and let them appreciate, okay? I've sold coins in 2017, 2018, 2019 that now are just getting into the positive. And guess what? That's a few short years, 3-4 years. And now they're going to continue to generate all blue sky ahead for the person that purchased it. Think about a house. You have to buy houses. You used to be able to buy a house at a 10% cap rate. You buy the house, let's just say for cash, right? For $120,000, and it makes $12,000 a year in rent. 10 years it takes for that house to pay itself off. Why do you buy it? Because you know after that, all that money is yours. 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 5 to 7 year hold for coins to get up and out and even, and then all the appreciation after that is blue sky. And I'm going to give you coins where you don't even have to wait that long. But if houses are 10, 12, 15 years now to get up out of it, and expenses along the way to fix and maintain and tenants, and that's one of the most worthy investments in the world, you can understand why people buy rare coins so much. With a reputable dealer who's going to do the right thing by you. I just want to make that point. Don't buy this stuff with the view of selling it tomorrow. Shout out to Elemental. Doing business with them. Good guys over there. And just received a package from them on some 1 ounce gold bars to add to my stack. Just, again, wealth preservation to make sure if I have enough gold, I know that I will always be okay. My main concern is to be able to spend time with my nieces and my family and have that financial freedom. If God willing, I'm able to go on vacation once or twice a year, have a beautiful home because I feel financially free and okay to be able to do so, then that's going to be my path, and that's what I hope for. And I stack the metals with the money that I earn, and I wake up every day 5 a.m. and I go until at least 10 o'clock at night to make sure of that. And the best thing I've come up with is to do this stuff and do it the right way. Call me for a guidance or advice or a conversation. We'll see if you and I are a good fit. This isn't a sales pitch, just letting you know a little bit about who I am and how I think. And if I can be a fit for you or you think there's a possibility, a conversation would be a wonderful thing. I'd love to speak to anybody that has a similar mind frame. Okay? Have yourselves a good week, guys. Thanks.